Arran Jerekachken ga boeien gemamesketje go ilan big fargosta ilan Arran. Go naam va een neuf molasje vrugen chen, ach saun le kersnach budach a ha en Jew. Hanik dunje vo immetach kretjev kola son krunjig etter kretjev.
The core essence of being within Sikhism is that you should be respectful of everybody's belief, their faith, their tradition, their non-tradition. That is their right as a human being. And if you have a belief, then that's your belief. You shouldn't be impressing it on other people, but you need to be respectful of other people's way of life, way of living.
Va boetjen operach jigimmetach shorse a dol, agus at the gammas een dive at the kretjo en raunzig. Ach sul kersonne han a huiere gornjarst a tachast an an eneme kretjo.
As much as we see hate in this world and hate in the name of religion, God is all loving, and anyone that uses religion as a symbol of hate shouldn't be using it. Every religion at its core is for love. Islam in itself, the meaning of the word is peace, yet you'll see the Islamic State use it for war. So it's very contradictory, pulled out of context, and I don't think people that use religion for war are using it in the right way.
Gach Martin agus gach fesker va sherivish ek na Buddhist agus farcher on a huletunje a golaun.
You have to have the understanding. That's why we have the teachings of Buddha to help guide us, and that's something that we have to study. But the other side is the compassion. So we're trying to develop compassion, so we have to develop compassion for ourselves, and then if we're able to do that and extend it, because the aim is to try and develop compassion for all sentient beings.
Ga je voeien goorst ge uur wegens topper molasje, voor een roe neuve furach zijn jach gevlien cholas. Rein Francis Hume a chur an tachta se doi bik an raunsachi na a gönigig en kretjoen.
A couple of years ago, for example, we had COP26, as you know, in Scotland, bringing the world leaders together, looking at climate change and combating that. And so we looked at the scriptures of all the different faiths and what they had to say about the environment and caring for it. And they all had very similar things to say about respecting nature, respecting all beings, including non-animal beings as well.
Honnig mi boichen as a hule kretje we ruchige gan show. Ag sat ule checkers kumbachor grage wie ek ter tonapi, kubi ko en kretje a ha iatsen elenten. Andreas Wolf, BBC ALBA, Ilan Molashe.